Five guys sitting up. Hey, Jake, don't wait for me to take that in there.
You know, just getting experience, you can't replace that. You can, you know, as much film as you want to watch, or as much, no matter what you want to do, as much practice reps as you can get, nothing replaces real game experience. And, you know, in this offense especially, the more reps you get, just the better and better you're going to get, the more mastery you're going to have of the offense. And so with Falk doing that, that's going to be huge for his, you know, for him moving forward and for the offense moving forward.
I mean, weight room's a big deal of it, and then you get in the film room and just constantly try to see what you can improve on, and then really just trying to be a better teammate with my team, and just get that locker room tight, because you know, it starts there. And I think we got a real close team right now, and it'll be exciting to see what we're going to do.
Both have worked a lot in the off season. Both came out sharper and kind of more aware. Both for being young guys are further along than other young guys I've had.